What makes some people amazing at everything they try? Not being smart, not having money, not even being lucky. There's a magic trick, and today you're going to learn it. Step 1. Care like it's the most important thing ever. Most people want to be good, but they don't really care. They watch TV while doing homework. They talk to friends while practicing piano. They want big wins but give tiny effort. That's like trying to bake a cake while riding a bike. It won't work. If you want to be incredible, act like what you're doing is the coolest thing in the world. Even if it's just coloring, even if nobody's looking. Step 2. Fall in love with the simple stuff. The best people in the world, the fastest runners, the best singers, the smartest inventors, they don't look for magic shortcuts. They practice the easy things over and over. Michael Jordan still practiced shooting baskets every single day. The best pizza makers still practice making perfect circles. And Mozart, the greatest music maker ever, wrote his most famous song when he was old, after making thousands of songs nobody remembers. He practiced in secret for years. That's what happens when you chase being perfect, when nobody's watching. Step 3. Love doing it again and again. Not winning prizes, not getting famous, just doing it again. Being amazing isn't about getting it right one time. It's about getting it right when you're sleepy, when your friends are playing outside, when it's not fun anymore. That's what makes it magic. So what's the real secret? Be the kid who can do the same thing longer than anyone else. Make it better, try again, never give up. And if you're not good yet, perfect. That just means you're at the beginning of something awesome. Keep practicing your magic trick, and one day everyone will remember what you made too.